Hi there, I hope you are all fine. Today I will tell you about Google Nest and how can you purchase an item or items from Google Nest Where Google Nest is an engine from which we can buy home-based accessories like mobile phone, cameras, doorbells, transmitters, thermometers and many other things. First of all, right here Google Nest and select Google Nest build your connected home. After selecting this, a slide occurs. In this slide, many country names are present. Select that country from which you belong. It is necessary because when you order in Google Nest asks you to submit your current billing address and your bank details. So it is necessary to select that country from which you are currently living. I select United States because I live in United States. Continue. Then sign in with your Google account. In Google Nest, select Nest button. In this, many categories of speakers, cameras, displays, accessories, doorbells, and connectivity, mean Wi-Fi routers, and that devices. All these are available. First, let's suppose I select speakers. And Discord. I will select special offers because in special offer many discounted things are available. Maybe a good speaker are available here. Thermostat, router, point, camera, not available. Accessories, only and watch, packages. I like that. Then any product that you like, click on buy button. Google Nest asks you to select color like black, sage, sand, sky, white is good. After selecting color, quantity, how much you can order. One is okay. Add to the chart. Okay. If you want to buy many other things, then select only and click on add to the chart. After doing that, these things are added into your chart. Go to the chart history, check out, click on. In the final slide, Google Nest asks you to submit your shipping address and your payment method. In shipping address, he asks you to submit your name, your street address, your city name, your states, and your phone number. And in your payment method, he asks you to submit information about your credit card or debit card, and other option is your PayPal account. After submit this information, click on confirm purchase. After doing that, you can purchase a product from your Google Nest Aware account. I hope by seeing this video, you can purchase a product easily from Google Nest Aware. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.